Hi guys, and welcome back from Carly at the Herbathicary. Really good to see you guys again. If you're new to the channel or like the videos, please show your support by hitting like and subscribe down below. It's 7 a.m. and it is chucking it down outside, so unfortunately the forage trip is off till hopefully later should it stop raining. So as the whole house is still asleep, I have snuck downstairs to make some feel-good dark chocolates using my Mad Millie raw cacao chocolate making kit. Not only does chocolate just make everything seem better, it is also high in copper, iron, magnesium, zinc, phosphorus, and flavonols. And this Mad Millie kit sends everything, nice packages, and fully weighed out to make around 440 grams of gorgeous dark chocolate. So let's get started. Our first job is to turn that coconut sugar into a syrup. Now I've got 2 pans heating up of boiling water, one for my double boiler system and one because we need a 1/4 cup of boiling water to mix up this syrup. So I'm just going to pop it in this cup once it's done. So we're using a 1/2 cup of the coconut sugar, and that's about how much is contained in this bag. And then we'll use a 1/4 cup of the boiling water and give that a good stir. Once that's all mixed in, I'm just going to pop the hot pan aside but put the cup back in it so that the mixture stays quite warm. So now it's time to pop our jug or bowl or whatever you're using onto your double boiler system, which is just a colander suspended in a pan of hot water. To this, we are going to add 100 grams of our cacao powder, which is nice and weighed out for us. So that's the entire bag, and 280 grams of the cocoa butter, which is also weighed out. But we're going to cut that into smaller chunks first of all, so that it melts down quicker and we don't burn the cocoa. I will show you what happens with that, as I did get a little distracted and some of the pieces did burn. So we're going to give this a mix together, and we're then going to add 8 tablespoons of our sugary syrup, and that should start helping it melt together quicker. So continuously stir this while it's all melting together. As I said, keep it moving as you really don't want the chocolate to burn. And if you start getting a strange burnt chocolate smell, obviously move it off the heat. But if you just keep moving it and keep the heat as low as you possibly can so it still melts, and work quickly once it's all melted together, you should avoid the burning. And once the ingredients are nice and melted, it's time to pop them in our mold. Now I've got a Halloweeny theme one and just a cross one. These are silicone and they're oven safe and fridge safe. So it's just time to pour our chocolate into the molds and then pop it in the fridge for around 30 minutes. Perfectly set, our skeleton ones turned out really well. However, with the crosses that I poured last, I did pop the chocolate back on the heat for a little while and it got a bit too hot and it burnt. So as you can see, the lighter brown colour in these ones are where the chocolate did get a bit too hot and burned, but turns out they still taste absolutely lovely. Hope you guys found that fun like I did and useful, picked up maybe a tip or two, another item to go and research in your own time. Again, thank you guys for coming back to the Herbathicary. It was great to see you again. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.